Hello everyone. Guys, today we will discuss that what is exactly the top, limit, fetch first and row num in SQL. See, the select top clause is used to specify the number of records to be returned. See, top is used with select. Okay, it becomes the clause and it specifies the how many number of rows you want from that query. Sometimes we run a query and we find a lots of redundant values or many values, doesn't matter redundant or not, but we want only top 3, top 5. Then we will gonna use this select top tip. Then after that there is an important point that not all database systems support the select top clauses. Okay, there is a not necessary that all the database system like Oracle, MySQL, DB2 or Portuguese anything support this select top. For that we will see that how we can use this thing. In MySQL it supports the limit clause. Okay, in MySQL it supports the limit clause to select a limited number of records. Okay guys, so we will use, if someone is using a MySQL, then it has to be used limit clause there. In Oracle it uses the fetch first and rows only. See, fetch first and rows only, it is a complete clause. Okay guys, not this, this is the complete clause to fetch first and rows only. And we can also use row num, it depends on the version to version, we will see that, but for the Oracle you have to use this or this. Okay guys, after that we will see that the syntax for the SQL Server or the MS SQL for using the select top. Select top is being used or supported by the SQL Server or MS SS. Select top number, complete clause, then number, or we can use percent. Okay, how much percent you want us retrieve that data, the number or the percent, then column names from table name. Okay, where condition, this where condition is not compulsory, it is an option, depends on your query or your output, either you want to use or not. But these are the main things that you have to mention, that the select the top number, the top 5 rows or top 6 rows, that is the number. There you can specify the percent, top 50 rows, from the output the top 50 rows I want to see, then you will use the percent word. Then the column names from which table, this is the basically the query. Let's see the after the syntax how can we write the query. Select top 2, select top 2 rows star from the employee, star specify here the all from all the columns. Okay, so it will select all the columns and will show only the top 2 rows from this table guys. Okay, finally, so if I run this query on this table, what it gonna display, it will display only the top 2 rows of this table. Then after that there is a syntax for the MySQL for using the limit clause. So how we can use that? See, select columns names. First we have to mention the column names. Here first we have to mention the number of the rows we want. So here the select the column names from table where condition, which is an optional. Then after that the limit to numbers, limit the output from this to numbers this. Okay, if you want the 5 limit to 5 rows, limit to 7 rows, so we have to mention here like this. A query select star from employees, limit to 10. Okay, so what it will do, it will gonna do the select all the columns and all the values, but it will show only the top 10, yani limited to 10 records. So it's going to show top 10 rows from that table. Okay guys, so this is basically about the using the top and the limit. Now in the next okay, I will rub this the material and we will be doing fetch first and the row num. Okay guys, so support. Okay guys, just wait, I will rub this and continue the video. Okay guys, let's move to the another keyword, that is fetch first and the row num. We have already discussed that the top and the limit keyword, how we can use that, what is basically the syntax and the queries belonging with the top and limit. Now it's time to fetch first and row num. Let's see. See that there is a syntax for the fetch first, but there is a compulsion or it supports only the Oracle 12 or the new version after that. Okay, so if you want, if you are using the Oracle 12 or the new version, then you have to use the fetch first. For the older version you have to use the row num. Now see the syntax behind this is the select column names, okay, one column, two column, whatever the number of columns. Then from table, from which table? From this table. Then order by column name. It is the, I have mentioned that there is a line, that means it's not mandatory, or it is an optional, okay. So we can skip this, or you want to add, it's all up to you, that the number of rows you are searching from or fetching from the table. So you want that it should be in that order, on that order, ascending order, descending order. It's all up to you. If you want to mention it, so then use this order by. If you don't want any ascending or descending order, then don't use this. After that, the main keyword, that is the fetch first number, that is the number of rows you have to mention, rows number, then rows only. So what it will be showing, that you have to select these columns from which belongs to this table, and from this the rows, whatever the rows come, but you have to you only want the fetch first only three rows, 4 rows and 5 rows only. You have to mention there that number. So this is basically the query. See, select star from employees, that is employees table, fetch first 3 rows only. So this query will select, first of all, this query will select all the columns. All right. After that, the whatever the condition, it will show only you the top 3, fetch first 3 rows only. So there should be some condition. It's all up to you. You wanna mention condition or not, doesn't matter, but it will show you the 3 top rows only. After that, we will see how the this row number works. It will work in older version of Oracles, maybe the version before this, okay. See, select column names, same things, from table name where row num less than or equal to number. First of all, see this, I have mentioned that you can use order by or not, it's all up to you. See, so select EID, I am selecting from this table that EID only from this table where row num is less than or is equal to 5. So I am selecting only the total number of rows may be less than 5 or equal to 5. If we find run the query and we find that there are 7 rows or 10 rows, but it's not going to show you all the rows, it will show you only the top 5 rows only. If the rows, number of rows are below than the 5, so then it will show you all the rows that is below than the 5. Okay, so this is all about the basically the top, limit, fetch first, and the row num. Sometimes it is used. So if you are interested in finding a total number of rows you wanna see, so you will use this top, limit, fetch first, and the row num. Okay, so next session will be all about the min and the max. We will gonna discuss the min and the max. Okay guys, so if you like my videos, so please like and share this and subscribe the channel, and please follow the playlist. The link is under the description of this video. Okay guys, thank you and take care.